All right, y'all. Joe back here, and my bad. Watching some true crime daily stuff. We're about to try to get some more wine out of the ZL1. Is like a supercharger plate that they said is inside the supercharger. We're gonna try to take that out. This is my little toolbox that I got from collecting Harbor Freight tools. So I'm about to put all this to work. Not too bad of a little collection, but yeah. I think he said I need a 10mm deep well. I'm gonna try to look for the 3/8 one. 3/8, 10mm. I'm gonna watch the video back. There's a guy on YouTube called Follow My Line. I've been watching him for about a year now because I always plan on getting the ZL1. So I'm looking at a lot of the stuff that he does, and he does it really good actually. So I'm gonna get all the tools. I got the inch-pounds torque wrench right here. I just ordered that on Amazon. Little torque wrench, but yeah. I'm gonna get all the tools, and then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna work on the car. Catch you guys in a sec. All right, put back on my video.
That are in here. All right.
Hey, how you doing?
On the front of the supercharger, side. There's 3 studding bolts, and those are the 3 in the middle.
Nope. Hold up. Ah, shit. Hold up. Let me go get something real quick. Boo. Get my shoe. Get my magnet. I'm not trying to lose no bolts right now. Boo. One. All right, that's not enough. What the fuck? This one not coming out. 2, 3, 4. Alright, how the fuck you take this shit off? Alrighty. Alright. One's around. Alright. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, okay. That's supposed to be there. Back in the second one. Leave that where it's supposed to be. Shit. Bust out the video again. All right, finally got the supercharger plate off. The bolts in the back were kind of a pain, but oh, the other way. Holy shit, man. Man, I gotta get me an insider ratchet, man. This shit, what the fuck? Put these in a bag. All right, let's break this last one free. Alrighty. All right, finally we got it off. 5/13/20. That's the bill date. Let me go get something real quick. Get a shop towel, clean this up. And just bring the shop towel outside. Alrighty. Wish I had some brake clean, but this will have to do. All right, good enough. That'll do. About to go back to watching the video, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Didn't go perfect, but I got it done, so that's all that matters. Torqued everything down to 80 foot-pounds. I'm just monitoring it real fast, see what happens. Supercharger sounds louder though.
To your dreams and they clowned you. All the same niggas showing love used to down you. Feel a lot of place.
Let's see. Maybe. We'll see. It's not broken, so that's good. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys some sound clips tomorrow. Me and my cousin, we're gonna go get some sound clips, and yeah, I think that'll be that. Got the legendary. About to get the oil changed after I just did the plate. This is who works on all my cars. I don't take my car to any dealerships for the most part, unless it's a big recall or warranty. Aside from that, take it right here, Mr. Richie. He the man. He does it right every time. I'm gonna show you guys his location, and you guys can come mess with him too if you guys are in New York. This is Richie's shop. Right here on the Atlantic. This right here. That's Richie's shop right there. Just getting it on the lift. About to change the oil. 10 quarts of AMS oil right there. The diff oil. And we got some Prestone coolant. Seen it was a little low this morning, so I'm gonna top it up. And yeah, that'll be it. It really took 10 quarts of AMS oil. So we just checking it for leaks real quick, and then we about to fill it up with the coolant right there. And then yeah, we're gonna get out of here and show you guys some sound clips of the supercharger thing that we did.
Alright, so your boy is about to go and see. Got that wine louder for y'all guys. It's a car coming.
Golly.
That shit is crazy. This car is too ferocious, bro. Wow. Man, it's up to y'all. What y'all think, man?
Geeking for real, bro.
Yeah, it's geeking.